I'm Peter Spitzer. I'm the founder and owner of CORPEX Computer. We are a manufacturer and developer of machine vision products. We started our company in 1989, developing ERP manufacturing software focused on the aerospace and automotive industry. We developed over a 12-year period until we got venture capital, grew from there and expanded into things like tool and die. We developed software for the manufacturing environment as well as the warehousing environment, mostly the operational aspect as an add-on to existing ERP systems such as Microsoft GP or Sage Pro. At some point, we were consulting on manufacturing processes and technology, and we had a partner company that had a specific problem they could not solve with their current technology. We started an R&D project in how to solve that particular problem, which was measurement on metallic surfaces that were convoluted in 3D in real time during the manufacturing process. And there was many aspects that the customer already tried, from mechanical to slider plates to things like lasers and all the equipment that was available from various resources at the time. None of them are really successful, or many of them had significant issues. We looked at new approaches and new technologies, and we started the methodology of using machine vision, the ability to analyze high-speed images for the process of analyzing for those respective measurements. We started to have significant success by layering that technology with traditional and algorithmic machine vision, developing algorithm, high-speed imaging, as well as AI technology to come up with a system that handles that particular aspect. Most of the systems that are deployed that we discovered and analyzed, we found that they had some technical components that would actually work, but they didn't have the software to make it functionally exact enough. We developed all the algorithms together with the hardware technology to come up with the solution that has the accuracy at the speed that we required for the actual manufacturing process. There are some vendors that use telecentric systems that are capable of doing what we do, which we developed specifically for that purpose, but they most of the time are not fast enough, as well as they don't have the algorithms to actually handle the problem in real time and in 3D. We developed the whole solution. So we're able to image and analyze the images, create the measuring technology at the precision required, at the speed that the machines are running at so that it's functionally useful, and interfacing to the machines to create that Industry 4.0 full loop, i.e. we interface back to the PLCs so we can help control the machine, or we can provide data to the machine, as well as posting it on things like OPC so that it's available for the manufacturing systems and MES systems that the manufacturers typically have.